Kauppakatu 42 in Lahti. Staircase A.
Any novel?
Yeah.
Finally. I haven't filmed novel for a long time now. I don't even remember when was the last time I filmed novel.
In Mikkeli.
No. Or, yeah, total novel. I've got any novel. About 6. Yeah, a bit bigger. Yeah. Built in 1996, age 6'8", 4 persons, right around 24 kilograms.
25.
Yeah.
Not 24.
Is this hydraulic?
Oh.
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
I guess it's hydraulic.
I'm full memory. The door open button.
No, it's structure.
Yeah.
Sounds like hydraulic.
That's good vandalism.
What?
This is good vandalism.
Yeah. Crap, 30 minutes to film anymore. And 29% of battery.
15% of battery and 1 hour to film.
Okay. Inspected by Inspector and made by Kone. Nice floor. I really like the normal panel.
Same here.
It's so like the 90s version of Kone design.
Yeah.
It's just so well built one. No door closed but on anything.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the doors are bad.
Yeah.
What? Where's the electric guy? Oh, it's not in here.
This was made before by Otis.
Oh, are you sure? Oh, yeah. Or so on his side, possibly.
No, only Otis.
But I think so his side has the same kind of.
No.
What are you doing?
That's